In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper on your vehicle, you will need to remove the radiator support cover to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 8 holding rivets. Then remove it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille assembly in place. Then unclip the 4 grille upper retainers. Then unclip the grille. You can now remove the grille assembly. Then, from the wheel arch, unscrew the screw holding the bumper using a ratchet and a Torx T15 bit. Then, shift the mudguard. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 15mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the bumper to the side holding bar. Repeat this step on the other side. Then, using a ratchet, an extension, and an 18mm socket, unscrew the 2 upper bumper retaining bolts on the front bumper brackets. Have someone hold the bumper while unscrewing the bolts so as not to damage the bumper. Now unscrew the 2 lower retaining bolts using the same tools. If your truck is equipped with fog lights or parking assist sensors, disconnect and remove the various connectors using a fork. Disengage the bumper from the fenders by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. The front bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. You now need to separate the bumper cover from the front bumper. Start with the driver's side. Using a ratchet and a 7mm socket, unscrew the first 4 bumper cover retaining bolts. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the clips that hold the bumper cover in place so that you can reinstall them on the new bumper later. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet and a 7mm socket, unscrew the first bolt holding the bumper cover to the bumper. Using the same tools, repeat the operation on the 3 bolts connecting the valance to the central bracket. Do the same on the 2 bolts holding the bumper to the central bracket. Repeat the same steps on the other side of the bumper. You can now separate the front bumper cover from the bumper. When you change your front bumper due to a collision, you may need to replace the bumper brackets as well. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 15 bolts holding the outer, inner, and central bumper brackets to the front bumper. Remove the assembly. Remove the speed nuts so that you can reinstall them later. You can order the front bumper used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Replace the mounting clips recovered from the old bumper. Replace the brackets. Then screw the assembly back on. Put the bumper cover back on the front bumper. Then put the clips back in place. Then screw the bolts back on. Put the front bumper back in place. Then reinsert the bumper cover under the fenders. Screw the 2 upper retaining bolts back on. Then the 2 lower retaining bolts. Screw the 2 side holding bars retaining bolts back on. If necessary, reconnect and reclip the harnesses. Put the mudguard back in place. Then retighten the retaining screw. Repeat this step on the other side. Put the grille assembly back on and retighten the 4 bolts. Put the radiator support cover back in place, and then the 8 rivets. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.